YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Tay, man. Back with another video, bro. Today we finna hit the gun show and see what them boys got today, man. Finna see if my AR-15 done, cause my shit been in the works. But nigga was telling me he had to order like the color and the parts for it, so I know they're gonna be there today. So hopefully it's ready. But it's my little fit of the day, man. Y'all niggas, I love lurking class, bro. Lurking class go crazy. Got some motherfuckers, yeah. Tight shit, man. Tight shit. So, we finna go check and see, man. I'm gonna hit y'all boys once I get up in that motherfucker, man. But yeah, well. Beautiful day out this motherfucker, man. I look good, bro, be honest. Let me get my brother, little dumbass. Motherfucker retarded. He know where I live and he gonna park his car way over here. What's up, twin? Are you going to my whip right quick? I need to get my... Oh! No copyright, no copyright. Uncle ass, man. What's up, bro?
Yep.
Ain't lying. See my dog going off. Hello, bullets. Oh, they right here.
Yeah.
My boys.
That's exactly the one I got. But I took all my taxes off. And that shit for
Oh, that motherfucker white though. That's tough.
No, I want to get a white one.
My shit was like 800.
What up, man?
These 556.
What up, bro? You good? Good. Y'all didn't make another John Wick, did y'all? How you gonna make a John Wick? I'm supposed to have the only one. So that's the only one of that. Each one's a little bit different.
This one.
That one's actually barricaded. This is the exact same one I got, different color. The one I got is blue.
We change each one off.
Right. That's the one you got, right? Without the
These ARs? What they are? Is it this?
Yeah, this shit, yeah.
That one hard.
Yeah.
16. This shit's 1700.
That's what I paid last time. Regular one and then the regular size.
Right, yeah.
Binary.
Go ahead, get this one, Tay.
Right.
Go get that one.
Now for 17. I'm trying to stay under. I'm trying to be like 1,000. Some shit like this.
So this one, look at how much.
What is this?
Go ahead, get this.
I ain't spending 17. I'm trying to do. Is this it right here, right there?
What?
This an AR? Like. But this ain't got no binary trigger, huh?
No.
I want binary, bro. I'll buy that bit. How much is that?
11?
Alright, get that motherfucker.
We'll get that one.
Good.
This is AR. This is AR, right? Yep. We'll get that one.
I think I might get that. Damn, I wanted color on my shit, bro. Like the color on it though. So I'm gonna come get this. I'm gonna come get this one tomorrow. Can I record it? Same one as this one. That motherfucker long.
Yeah, that's like what he need.
Want some long shit like that, baby?
Pause.
This for that 308. This is what he needs. 100% for that.
Nigga dropped his nuts on your phone.
Look at that.
Get that nigga phone back.
Here. Somebody calling too.
Nigga talking about his damn hill.
That's like a barbecue. Hey, I can't wait for the summertime.
Look, man, my gun being made on the guys. Yeah, I'm about me house this year too.
I'm gonna text you. You don't have to make the call. Yeah, I need to pay
Some
my car off.
motherfucking dragon breath rounds.
What's that?
I'm about to pay my credit card all the way down. And I'm about to pay.
How much you got
God.
on it?
I pay $500 on my phone every month. I'm about to
Dragon
$1,000
breath
off my
bitches.
shit.
Yeah, I'm about to
Knock
start.
that shit down fast.
Yeah, I'm about to start dropping hella money on getting my car paid
Look at
off.
these niggas talking about their lives. These motherfuckers shit. Cook can't switch. Can't switch.
What you asked? Oh.
He came out and said that. Tell that. He said that.
I thought you asked when you taking your gun in there. I thought you asked, can you take your shit in there? Why the fuck you pull in?
Yeah.
You ain't. You don't give a fuck about. You don't give a fuck about emergencies.
Ain't go wrong going across that curve.
Back, nigga gotta get a new.
That you fuck up on your car.
No cap. New bumper. Nigga gotta get a bumper. Damn. Today's a new day. Type shit, man. Today is the day, man. About to go pick up the new gun, bro. New gun is done, bro. He just texted me. He told me that was ready. So it's about 10-minute drive from where I'm at, man. And I'm about to go pick that bitch up, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little breakdown and whatever once I get back to the crib, man. So I'm gonna go there, get some little footage from it, and as I'm picking it up and shit. Then when I get back, record some more for y'all, man. Break the gun down. It's a custom gun, AR-15, man. But yeah, I'm gonna do all that when I get back, bro. Let's go, man. Yeah.
But what I was able to do was I was able to get these back on it. Get the safety, yeah, so it's still silver. Like if you look.
I'm excited. I just can't hide it. I'm gonna show y'all niggas more when I get to the crib, bruh. But here it go, man. I'm gonna show y'all that a little bit. Ooh, shit. Big AR added to the arsenal. I'm gonna show y'all some more when I get to the crib, man. That bitch go too crazy. That motherfucker finna be hot. Throw some more little attachments on that bitch. It's gonna be perfect. Oh God. Woo! Just made it back, man. Bro, why the fuck do my damn twist again? But just made it back, man. I'm excited, bro. It has been done, man. It has been brought. Y'all first look, man. I don't do no capping, man. So I need y'all to take that and remember that, cuz. Remember that. Get that bit. Focus up. Ooh. Ooh. That motherfucker say binary, cuz. I mean, if you pull that bit one time, it's gonna shoot. Let that bit go, it's gonna shoot, man. This bit too hard, man. This motherfucker shooting 300 blackout fat ass bullets in this bit. What's that bit gonna look like? Fat ass bullet, boy. Sheesh. Oh, this bitch heavy. My hand. Alright. Tough money. Look at the details, bro. Look at that. Details, bro. I can't wait to shoot this bitch, man. Take this motherfucker to the range, bro. Look at that motherfucking details. Yeah, man, I'm super excited, bro. Y'all boys was the first ones to see it. I ain't even post that motherfucker on IG yet, cuz. Like, I'm excited to take that motherfucker out, bro. Shoot that bit, man. It's really gonna sound like an automatic rifle, bro. And automatics is tough to come past, bro. Them bitches be like $20,000. After all, like, paperwork and tax, all that other bullshit, bro. You gotta go through all of that just to get an automatic. So binary is the next step from automatic, like, or next step to automatic. Cause you can pull that bit as fast as you want and it's just gonna keep, goddamn, it's gonna be shooting 2 bullets at a time. Like what's that motherfucking perk of goddamn Call of Duty, bro? Motherfucking, the double tap shit, bro. It's gonna, motherfucker gonna be shooting like that, bro. Shooting 2 bullets out of the motherfucker. But yeah, bro, I'm super excited, bro. The next video, well, I don't know. But next time, pretty soon, we'll be taking it to the gun range, man. And letting y'all boys see what that motherfucker look like, bro. But it's been cool, man. Give y'all motherfucker one more look, man. One more look, man. One more look. That shit hard. But it's been good, man. It's been cool, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys just stay tuned, man. I got more heat on the way. Subscribe and like, man. It's your boy Tay. I'm checking out, bro. See y'all later.